Ridgewood Lakes is among the most exquisite, active 55-plus community in Webb, Orlando.Prepare to be impressed once you step into the main entry by the open floor plan flooded with natural light. The gourmet-style kitchen in front features granite counters, oversized island/breakfast bar, abundant raised panel cabinetry, both recessed and pendant lighting, and stainless appliances, including double oven range currently electric but can be switched to gas. You'll find that the formal dining space is large enough to seat a crowd and the living room makes a great gathering space. The view of the oversized screened-in patio speaks for itself. Here you have both covered and open space to arrange for relaxing, dining, fitness pursuits and hobbies. Includes extended paver patio under screen enclosure. You'll appreciate having a gas grill hookup out here, and with neighboring fencing, you have a bit of privacy to enjoy your fun in the sun. The home is a split bedroom plan with the primary suite in the back. Generous sized bedroom has a stylish tray ceiling. Ensuite bath features granite counters, vanity space, shower, linen closet, and access to your walk-in closet. Secondary bedroom and bath are near the front of the home. Quality improvements include new plank flooring in living room, master bedroom, master closet, and guest bedroom in 2024. New 72 ceiling fan on outside of patio, master bedroom, and flex space. Near front door, there are 4 TVs mounted on the walls that all convey. Exterior freshly painted, cabinets above the washer and dryer instead of just a wire shelf, and the garage door/ceiling has extra insulation and epoxy flooring, a 4 garage extension, and paver stone walkway on the side of home. Home was purchased with an upgraded energy package to help save on utility bills and is wired for security and surround sound. Webb Orlando offers a vast array of amenities, including an exemplary clubhouse with a state-of-the-art fitness center, an indoor heated pool and hot tub, a resort-style outdoor pool and hot tub, a fire pit, grand ballroom, gaming areas, activity/hobby rooms, and even a restaurant/bar. Hop in your golf cart to venture to the many outdoor areas such as the sports courts, ball, tennis, pickleball, walking trails, dog park and more. Excellent overall location. The community is just off SR 27 and only about 4 miles to I-4, providing easy access to shopping, dining, and the attractions. This home is 5 years old and has only been lived in for nearly half that time. This lighter use is part of the reason the home